The ayah began, Ya ayyuhal ladhina amanu taqullaha wa qulu qawlan sadida. Listen to the words of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. من رأى منكم منكرا فليغيره بيده فمن لم يستطع فبلسانه ومن لم يستطع فبقلبه وذلك أضعف الإيمان. Famous hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. If you see an evil, change it with your hand. And if you can't, at least with your tongue. At least with your tongue. And if you can't do that, at least feel bad in your heart. At least feel bad where? In your heart. Now what is this ayah telling us? This ayah is telling us if the heart was in the right place, if the heart in most circumstances was in the right place, taqwa of Allah was there, then the speech would just come naturally. It would just come out. Our lives are not under threat. Our lives are not in danger. And so speaking the truth does not put us in danger. Saying the right thing doesn't put us in danger. You know? Now this, all of what I just shared with you is about interpersonal communication. Communication within the family, communication within a business, communication within friends. You know, conflicts happen with business partners, conflicts happen within co-workers, conflicts happen within family members, etc., etc. But this is not a conversation about humiliating people publicly. That's something else entirely. You know, people sometimes take the ayat of the Quran, ayat of Allah, and they misuse them and say, well, Allah says speak upright, so let me tell you, my best friend told me this secret, I'm going to put it on Facebook. Because Allah says, قُولُوا قَوْلًا سَدِيدًا, so I've decided to post it on social media and humiliate my friend because Allah says you have to speak the truth. No, what you've just done there is a violation of something else the Prophet ﷺ warned us about. مَنْ سَتَرَ مُؤْمِنًا سَتَرَهُ اللَّهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ. And the opposite is also true. Whoever covers the faults of a believer, Allah will cover them on Judgment Day. What is the opposite of that? Whoever uncovers the fault of a believer, Allah will uncover them on Judgment Day. That's the scary part. Yeah? So sometimes people in the name of good, in the name of what Allah speaks about in a certain context, put it in a different context altogether and use it to humiliate. Our Prophet ﷺ warned us, لا تؤذوا المسلمين ولا تتتبعوا عوراتهم. Don't cause Muslims pain. Don't expose their private lives. Don't go behind their private lives. This is the Prophet's own words, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. وَمَنْ تَتَبَّعَ عَوْرَةَ أَخِيهِ الْمُسْلِمِ تَتَبَّعَ اللَّهُ عَوْرَتَهُ. Whoever becomes obsessed with another Muslim's private life, Allah will become obsessed with theirs. وَمَنْ تَتَبَّعَ اللَّهُ عَوْرَتَهُ يَفْضَحْهُ وَلَوْ كَانَ فِي جَوْفِ بَيْتِهِ. And whoever Allah goes after, He will humiliate them openly, even if they're hiding deep inside their home.